Xpeng Aeroht is the forerunner in this ever-changing, dynamic world of transportation. Well, the latest innovation to hit the road from its arsenal is called the Xpeng Aeroht Modular flying car, a real game-changing solution born through the perfect amalgamation of ideas that were long catered by automotive and aviation technologies independently. The review throws light on the Xpeng Aeroht Modular flying car in terms of detailed descriptions of the design, technology, functionality of the Xpeng Aeroht Modular flying car, and changes in the urban commutation scenario it promises. Xpeng Aeroht, under one of the largest electric vehicle manufacturers in China, Xpeng Motors, has positioned itself as one of the largest players in the electric vertical takeoff and landing market. With the drive to continuously innovate, sustain, and make available the best in personal transport solutions in the years to come, Xpeng Aeroht brings together self-driving technologies with aviation engineering expertise. The modular flying car is the result of year-long research and development into stuffing advanced EV technologies along with aviation capabilities into one product. The Xpeng Aeroht Modular flying car fuses sleek automotive design with pioneering aviation features into one highly striking vehicle. In its exterior car design, the perfect balance of aerodynamic and contemporary aesthetics with smooth curves and sharp edges uses lightweight materials, intending to maximize efficiency and performance. Behind this novelty stands its modularity. In fact, the car would easily be transformed between two main configurations: ground mode, a high-performance EV on urban roads; airborne mode, a fully functional flying vehicle with VTOL capability. It realizes this dual-mode functionality through its sophisticated modular system, wherein the car's chassis is combined with an aerial module. Being on the ground, this car is just like any normal electric car. In case of need, where the requirement is to outsmart the traffic or reach those very unapproachable areas, this is where the function of the aerial module would turn it into a flying car. This modular feature in Xpeng Aeroht alone can make it incomparable with conventional eVTOLs because it combines all functions with practicality and versatility, being designed for daily urban commuters. Technology, marrying EV and aviation engineering. The Xpeng Aeroht Modular flying car is a dazzling marriage of electric vehicle systems with advanced engineering from the aerospace world. Advanced all-electric propulsion, the eco-friendly and efficient operation of the car. On the ground, an electric motor powers the vehicle to smoothly accelerate with reduced emissions and great energy efficiency. Throughout flying mode, the aerial module features several rotors to achieve VTOL capability. Equipped with high-density battery packs by Xpeng Aeroht, this car will never run out of power while flying or driving. Besides, the batteries should be designed for fast charging to minimize downtime for the user and maximum usability. Advanced rotor technology is fitted on the aerial module for both stable and safe flight. Flying cars can easily make a light and precise maneuver since electric rotors ensure both horizontal and vertical movements. Flight key specification: vertical takeoff and landing. This enables operations to be efficiently conducted on highly congested urban areas or without standard runways. Flight range, capable of covering medium-length distances per charge. Altitude and speed. It has been designed to fly within the urban aviation regulatory altitude with adequate speed for practicality and travel. Safety will always be foremost for Xpeng Aeroht. The flying car shall possess state-of-the-art mechanisms for safety in its operations. These include autonomous flight systems. The vehicle is designed with AI-powered flight control systems for independent flight operations in the takeoff and landing phases and cruise, requiring less manual interference by pilots. Redundant power systems. Multiple power and rotor systems are present, so that in case of failure of one component, others act as backups, hence making the operation safe. Parachute deployment system. It is further fitted with an integrated parachute deployment system that brings the vehicle down gently in case of any emergency. Obstacle avoidance. Enhanced LiDAR, radar, and cameras can provide the ability to detect obstacles both on the ground and in the air, enabling collision avoidance. Xpeng Aeroht Modular flying car is engineered for perfect performance both in driving mode and flying mode. An electric car represents high efficiency, rapid acceleration, and comfort during driving with the electric propulsion system. The The vehicle will be made for incredible energy efficiency and long reach by reaching an aerodynamic bodyline. Key features of regenerative braking, intelligent energy management systems, and adaptive suspension promise the best ride quality. In its airborne mode, the Xpeng Aeroht Modular flying car goes into flight smoothly. The rotors of this car provide a sure and controlled upward and downward path. The lightweight with modular design is very manipulative. Its AI navigation technology allows for perfect routing and real-time tracking toward your destination. A mix of autonomous controls, combined correctly with safety systems and power efficiency, results in a non-stressful and pleasant flying experience. The Xpeng Aeroht had focused on convenience for the users and their easy accessibility to the modular flying car. Transitions between driving and flying modes are smooth and instinctive. The modular system allows attachment or detachment of the aerial module in minutes, which helps the users to switch over whenever necessary. The vehicle features all of Xpeng's newest autonomous driving and flying capabilities. On the road or in the air, all autonomies can be controlled without requiring professional skills or a need for a pilot license. The interior of the car merges luxury with functionality, housing advanced infotainment systems, ergonomic seating, and smart interfaces displaying real-time data on road and air travel. Comfort and connectivity for passengers are at their height through voice control, immersive displays, and AI assistance. The Xpeng Aeroht Modular flying car represents the ultimate in personal transport, acting in synergy with nature for a zero or minimal ecological footprint. The electrically propelled flying car does not emit any fumes and hence creates clean air or less noise pollution within city premises. It further could serve to reduce the consumption of fuel and resultant emission through reduced congestion on the ground because of its vertically mobile attribute. Although the Xpeng Aeroht Modular flying car is a great invention, some of the challenges to be sorted out are given below. Regulatory approval. UAM is an emerging industry, so governments worldwide will have to form regulations concerning flying vehicles or eVTOLs. Infrastructure. For flying cars to advance, vertiports, charging stations, and maintenance hubs will also need to be built. Cost. At the moment, the cost of the car is somewhat inaccessible to average consumers, but as more development takes place, this will go down. The Xpeng Aeroht Modular flying car represents a bold, visionary step into the future of transportation. Combining electric mobility on the ground with that in the air, Xpeng Aeroht introduced the practical solution for congestion and mobility challenges in the metropolis. With a modular design, advanced technology, and a focus on safety, the flying car seems to be a harmonious balance between innovation and practicality. Challenges range from regulatory frameworks to the development of physical infrastructure. However, flying cars, such as the Xpeng Aeroht Modular flying car, show virtually unlimited potentials for urban air mobility and point toward the era when personal flying cars could cease to be a fantastic dream, but an actual reality for daily commuters. The Xpeng Aeroht Modular flying car is representative of the highest degree of innovation in the future of transportation and stands in witness to what can be done at the crossing of technology, creativity, and sustainability.